We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Taidong's Guansan was first settled around 1874 by around 800 Hakka people from Pingdong. The government encouraged would-be settlers to make up groups of 80 people. If they did so, they could get a government wage and farming equipment. Around 16 groups emigrated in this way. Although later there was fighting between Aboriginal tribes and settlers at first, because one of the emigrants spoke the Aboriginal language of the area, they were able to make progress in trading and negotiations faster. Hey, welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm your Hakka teacher, Joseph Lin.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
我已经很不要脸的把我自己升级成 teacher 了，其实还没有，我还在学习而已。
走对啦。
好，最近常讲这个吃的东西啊，其实很实用啊。You know, because we talk about food and we need to eat, many times during the day. So, I think it's okay we talk about food more. You're at work, you're busy, your coworker wants to buy something for you to eat. Maybe you want to ask this, I'm going out to buy something to eat. Do you need anything? Do you want anything? OK, 刚好有人要出去买东西吃，然后他问说，那你要不要我帮你带一点什么东西回来？要怎么问
？OK， 我要去买东西吃。
我要去买东西吃。哦 ，That means I'm going to go buy something to eat. 我要去买东西吃。
你爱我老你买乜嘅么？
太长了 ，I give up 。国语其实就是说，那你要我帮你去买什么东西吗？
你爱我，
你爱老你
买乜嘅么？
买乜嘅么？
买什么吗？
买什么东西 ？Do you want me to go get something for you? Okay, so the answer could either be 好啊，我肚子也很饿啊。
好啊，我肚子动摇。
哦。好啊，我肚子动摇，
就是我肚子好饿。
摇是饿 ，hungry， right？ 摇是 hungry， 动摇就是很饿，对不对？
Yes。
因为上次有学过 ，don't 懂，听到懂就是很的意思 ，very。I am very hungry。我动摇，我很饿。
那如果说有人说吃饱了啊，不用了，我不会，我肚子不会饿。是，我肚子没摇。
是就是不要，不用，是不是 ？Okay, thank you. I don't need you to get anything for me. That's a very useful and practical Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
什么太假咯，张来了。
张来了哦。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.